Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another Minecraft tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can actually repair any enchanted items in your Minecraft survival. In this tutorial, I'm using the Minecraft 1.18, but I will give for each version method so it will work for all of you guys. Now let's get ahead and open our single player world and let's go into it. For me, I'm using just like a creative mode world with super flat, so I can do the tutorial, but you can use it in your current survival world or whatever it is. So first of all, let's get our items. Like you can see, I have a sword, I have a bow, and let's upgrade our sword first, and just like so. And I will show you how it will be healed. So after doing so, I hope it's gonna give me level 30. Yep, exactly. Now let's get our sword enchanted. As you can see, let's go ahead now and kill some cows. I will try to do it like so, and I'm just trying to break my sword as fast as possible. So yeah, let's try to break it. That's like that. Like that. I'm trying to show you that the sword is broken and it will be fixed, like so. And yeah guys, as I said, I will show you multiple methods that will work for some of the versions, and some of them will work for all these the new versions or the oldest version. So you will have a solution for any problem you have. It will be in this video, so make sure to watch it all. Now after I damaged a little bit my sword, let's get ahead and open and get out. We don't need these cows, let's keep them inside. And then as you can see, the sword is broken. How can we actually fix it? Now well, there's actually, as I said, multiple ways to fix it and keep the enchantment. The first one, let's get our game mode on, and let's give ourselves game mode creative. And the first method, which is getting a new diamond sword or whatever sword you have, you have to get the same type of sword or type of tool. For example, you have a diamond sword, you get a diamond sword, not like a diamond pickaxe or iron sword. You have to get the same thing and the same type of ore. Now let's get ahead here and put our sword together. As you can see, you can fix it like that. The second way to fix it is by getting the enchantment mending, which is hard to get. You can get it by using the auto fish farm, or you can get it on like an enchantment by luck, or you can find it 100% by going to the end and finding the end village, or I think, what do you call it, ship. Yeah, a ship in the end. So you will find the book of mending inside of it, and that's how you can get the mending. Basically you can do it like so. And sorry guys, and what you can do exactly with mending is, after, for example, let's game mode survival. After you will kill something and you get XP, your sword will be fixed. As you can see, let's fix it. And if you have like a spawner or something like so, it will be very easier for you to fix it. But since I'm using just cow farm that doesn't give really so many XP, and at the same time I am hitting them with my sword, that's why I guess I'm not really getting that much of XP. So let's try it like so. I guess I'm gonna keep it safe like so. And anyway, yeah, as you can see, for example, my bow is mending, so when he's broke, it gets fixed directly because I'm getting XP. Let's for example kill this, and here you go, it's fixed. So the third method, which is basically getting ores, which is something like so, creative, and let's get some diamonds. We can get diamonds from here, I think. Sorry, diamond, like so. And we can repair our sword using diamond or any kind of ore you are using in your sword. So that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching.